This is nice.
All the Snoopies, every house.
Yeah. Wow. Very cool. Yeah. Another one going? Right. Last one
Why did he say they don't advertise?
he said they just want to keep it small and private. Said the public is invited, but they don't want to. Yes.
This is very beautiful.
Oh, thank you. I thought you were going to say he shouldn't be here.
Oh God, no.
Like,
I
no,
work here.
he flies too, you know.
I was just gonna say, like, I hope nothing bad happens. Like, he's gonna
No.
stay close to me.
He does.
Is he stressed out when he puts his head?
No, that's happiness.
Oh
Exactly.
my God.
He's very
So
opinionated.
handsome.
He's having a great
What's
time.
his name?
Benjamin.
Benjamin.
Yes.
How old is Benjamin?
No idea. He's a rescue, so I don't know.
Aw. Does he fly?
No.
Okay.
He only has 2 tail feathers.
Oh, honey.
So if he flew...
Oh, there was a shadow.
Yeah, that scared you a little bit.
Yeah, that's okay though.
You're okay.
Does he?
He normally, he gets very angry around farming equipment, but apparently planes he loves. This is the first time.